Hi, it's Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I wanted to do the unboxing for August Stationery Selection box. So here it is. As usual, there is the description of the items that are included in August's box, and this month I was extremely excited, as you can probably see with the products. But anyways, I'm just going to go down the list and share with you the items in August box. So the first thing on the list is the Mindwave Natsukashiru, and these are it right here, and they're more like the olden time, the retro appliances that were used in Japan. And yeah, I thought they were very cool and different. I don't know if you're old enough to remember using cassette tapes and using like a pen to unwind the tape. And I remember having this TV when I was a kid as well. This is like a payphone in Japan, and they don't look like this now, but this is what they used to look like. These are like the rice cookers and refrigerator and things like that. So I just thought that was really cute, and it kind of went with the rest of the items. Next on the list is the empty washi in collaboration with William Morris right there, and it's beautiful washi tape. So I'm just going to quickly open that up for you. So here it is. It's a very leafy design with like a black background, or maybe it's navy, but it's very, very pretty. And of course it's the William Morris design, and it's just on the washi tape there, and it's a nice thick washi tape, and I really like the MT brand very much. I know some people say the washi tape down the line becomes the quality isn't great, but MT, I always find MT is really, really great washi tape. So there's that. And the next on the list are the Rush On Petite water-based in the, it's a set of 6, and the color is in the light pale set, so it's right there. I will do a swatch at the end of the video, and it's such, they're such like delicate colors, and I think they're great for planning and journaling because they're not too in your face. You can see it's quite bright today, so maybe it's it's kind of washed out, but those are the colors right there. So there's a total of 6, and they are all in the brush type of marker. And then next on the list is this thing right here, but I will wait for that. Now I will just talk about the Tsubame Note, and this is in the A5 size. This is grid, it's a grid notebook, so it looks like that, and it's grid all the way to the edges. As you can see, there's no borders or anything. And but yeah, so it has a lot of history. The Tsubame Note brand has a lot of history, and you can see it's made in Japan, and it's one of those really simple notebooks that you know that will lay flat, and it's just really nice quality paper. So there's the A5 Tsubame Note in the grid. And lastly, I know there aren't a lot of items in this box. It's because of this beautiful item here. This is the Superior Labor engineering pouch. It's called the small engineering pouch number 2, I think, or small, yeah, the engineer pouch number 2. So it has this like the brass hardware at the top for the zipper with the natural leather pull, and there's the information, or like the name tag. And this color is limited to just this box, so it's not created, so I won't be like selling it in other boxes or anything like that. It's not, I'm not going to sell it online afterwards or anything like that. It's a specific amount and very limited, like it's just a limited production for the Stationery Selection box for the month of August. So you can see that it has their famous Superior Labor tag there, and you might notice there might be some loose threads, and that's okay. I have that in my other pouch as well. And of course you don't have to use it as a pen pouch, but you can if you want to. Like it'll fit these markers in there, but I actually use one of my pouches. Let me show you. This one I have, I don't know, I want to say months and months, but I use it all the time, and it has like mints earphones, some chapstick, and yeah, cables and things. So it's my like little trinket bag that I keep with me in my backpack. And it's not necessarily only for pencils or it's not like a pencil case. You can use it for whatever things you want to use it for. You can put in your toiletries or whatever. It's a very sturdy canvas, and they painted, everything is all like hand done, which is crazy, but they've hand painted the bottom here with this nice like brown color, and this is the olive, and then they even allowed me to choose the zipper color. So very, very, very excited. It was so hard to keep it hush hush because until the last minute I wasn't sure if it would make it in time for this box. Yes, so it was very hard for me to keep it in or keep it as a secret, but I'm so happy that I was able to include this, and I know for sure there's going to be a lot more of the superior labor in the stationery selection boxes. There's going to be a lot more collaboration and things like that, so I'm very, very excited. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but yes, thank you so much. Because of you, the supporter, I was able to do this, and I have to give a huge, huge shout out to Esther Molina. She's the one that really, really made this happen for me, so very thankful to Esther. I will leave her YouTube and her Instagram down below, so if you want to check her out, I'm very thankful. But yes, I know a lot. I've received some comments already, or some messages that people were shocked and surprised that there was a superior labor pouch in there. But I'm so excited to bring this to you. So there's that. But yeah, from time to time I get like the question of how many items are included in the box, and I can't really give a solid answer because of the fact that some items are a little bit more expensive. So for this month, for example, this item was a little bit more expensive, so I couldn't obviously include like 8 items or anything like that. I mean, I could have maybe used this and had like a couple packs of stickers or something, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to include some markers in there just in case if people did want to use this as a pencil case. And I really liked this the light pale set. I actually first saw this being used on Emily Pencil, and we did a collaboration in the past as well, and I will leave her YouTube channel down below. She's a wonderful, very, very talented artist as well, and I saw her using the pale or the light, one of the different versions of this, and it got me searching and I found this. But yeah, so that's why I wanted to include something else other than just a bunch of stickers or, you know, washi tapes or whatever. I wanted to include something more substantial, and that's why there's 5 items in here. So this is for this month of August. For September, just giving you the heads up, it's more art themed, so if you're interested in that, stay tuned. We did increase the quantities a little bit because I am getting some help, which I'm very thankful for. So I will most likely release it 17, 18, 19, somewhere around there of August. So stay tuned. I will post the actual specific date and time up on Facebook and on Instagram, but it'll be around there, and I'm hoping that it won't sell out that quickly. I did increase the quantity, so hopefully it kind of meets the demands. I know it's very, very frustrating. People message and say that you're already sold out, or you already I've been wanting to sign up for a subscription for such a long time, but every time I visit you're sold out, and I'm very, very, very sorry. I have the extra set of hands, so hopefully I can meet the demands a little bit better in the future. Anyways, that's enough rambling for me. I wanted to say thank you so much again for your support, and if you want to see a swatch of this, please stay tuned. So unfortunately, all these are the colors are in Japanese. So this is cream yellow, oyster gray, aqua gray. It says aqua gray, okay. And this one is blush pink. This one is Ceratin, I'm not sure. And pastel peach. I'm sorry, I'm trying to read the katakana and I'm not very good at it. So, but those are the colors. I'm going to quickly do a swatch for you. They are definitely on the like a light pale, just as the label says. But I really like the brush. It's nice and smooth. and it gives you a really nice variation of, the line variation is really nice on this one. I find it anyways. And I don't know if you noticed, but you can see the colors too. Like when you push down, it's very dark, and when you come back up, it's very light. And I really like that because I don't see that a lot on in the brush pens. Oh, this gray is really nice. I think it would be really good for like highlighting things. See the different color variations there? This is like the pink one. Oh, it's very, very faint. I don't know if you can, it might be a little washed out with this sun coming in. Oh, that's very pretty. So those are the swatches for the brush pens. They're such pretty colors. I think it would even be perfect for Easter, but I couldn't wait. And that's the back. Of course, there's no bleed through or anything, and because it's so light, it doesn't really have any ghosting either. But oh, and look how it crinkles already. Anyways, so that's the items for, those are the items for August. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you have any questions, as always, please feel free to email instead of DM. It's difficult with DM trying to coordinate because, you know, somebody's Instagram name might be like, I don't know, Peach Star or something, and she might message me and say, can you see where my order is, or I need more information about my order, but I don't have this person's name on Instagram, like it doesn't show up on Instagram, and all I know is it's Peach Star, and I can't really do anything with that. So I would really much prefer you email me, and the email is hello@thestationaryselection.com. I will list it right here, as well as down there in the description. Of course, we ship worldwide as well. And I think that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for your support again this month, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye. Oh, one last thing, sorry. Before I forget, I will most likely be resting for the month of November. I need to move yet again, and so I need at least a month to kind of get my things all packed up and ready to go. So I will most likely be resting for the month of November. So I don't think there will be a November box. There should be an October box and a December box, but I'm not 100% sure. The only thing I'm sure is that there won't be a November box. So just letting you guys know. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you. Bye-bye.